All right. Hello, hello. I think we're good. So I finally figured out our mic situation. Last time we didn't have sounds, but this time we got our amazing music, which I'm gonna start playing. I have to go to our playlist, and this mic, I was having some issues with it. It was, I don't know, it was like too quiet, and then it wasn't like, yeah, it just wasn't loud enough. But we finally figured it out, and I am excited. Yeah, I think I spent like an hour yesterday trying to do it. I just spent like maybe just like another 20 minutes, but I finally figured it out. So we are golden. I'm trying to find our playlist here. I think I have to follow that guy. Let's see. We gotta figure it out. Oh, perfect. Here we go. Made for you. Yeah, there should be like a recently searched, I thought. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Yeah, the guy, it's Stream Beats, just so everybody knows. It's Stream Beats. And one of the things on our to-do list, we have a lot of stuff on our to-do list, but one of those things is to finally figure out how to is how to make me go bigger and then smaller, without having to like using hotkeys. There we go. Okay, great. Awesome, we got the stream going. I think we're all set. Let's text Kaylee. She's gonna let us know how it's going. Let's get this music going. I'm ready. I've been ready for this. Oh yeah, we got a phenomenal whatever you want to call this beats going. All right, let's see how it goes. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect. All right, so I updated our to-do list a little bit before we started. I got some a nice t-shirt idea in green here that we're gonna eventually do. Yeah, look, I was trying to figure this out. Like I said, this is all a learning curve. If anyone ever has questions about how to set this up, I'm learning so I could potentially help you. But anyway, all right, let's go. All right, so we have a lot of stuff on our list. I don't even know what we did last time. Last time, yeah, we worked on our newsletter. We updated our thumbnail, made it look a little bit better. We looked into some AI tools, which I think we had. Yeah, we didn't have too much luck with this right now, but that's okay, right? And then we uploaded our second stream. I have the third one here that I haven't uploaded yet. Um, yeah, we fixed our Twitch banner and we got a countdown created. I think that's. Don't know. I don't even. Oh, I don't even know what that is. But anyway, so for today, we have something big. We're actually going to work on the website. It is I wonder if the music's a little too loud. Here, we can lower it a little bit. Um, Sweet. So yes, so we have a big addition we're going to be adding to the website. We're going to be adding a Martian success playbook, which I will go over later. We got a lot of YouTube comments to catch up on. We still have some of those AI tools that Bill was telling us about, so we'll have to look into those. Yeah, we gotta make that hotkey. We're gonna make maybe a post on LinkedIn. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. And then I had a great idea on Eventbrite. So, wow, I'm so excited. Like, I don't know if I sound all over the place, but I am excited because I figured out a couple things. You know, we gotta verify those things real quick too. And I don't want to hear myself right now. Mute. Okay. So if we go to Creator Dashboard, and we go to where are we going to? Stream Manager. Yes. So I changed the topic. So our topic now is working on my startup. And here, Kaylee got back. She said, "I hear the music. Perfect. It sounds great. Amazing." So yes, we changed the topics, right? So we are now co-working and studying, and I think we might change that if we work on Canva, if we do all this fun stuff. But now I think it's a little bit more appropriate for what we do. So I don't know. I was excited about that. And you know what? This is going to make it easier too. It's going to make it easier to find people that we can collaborate with. So that's been something. That's something I've been working on my free time. Is getting like some more people on the stream. You know, just to chat, talk about different things. Like, yeah, maybe they're working on a business too. Who knows, man? Maybe they're just working on their homework, right? I think some people got their homework that they're working on. I don't know what it is, but we will eventually be collaborating with someone. Let's see. Yeah, our channel. I don't think it's looking any much different than last time. Let's see. Yeah, not too much, but yeah, phenomenal. Anyway, all right, we're gonna do the first thing. We're just gonna jump right into it. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is I don't know if I'm ready to make the merchant success playbook at the moment, but let's see. Yeah, we can make a post honestly. So I volunteer at Score, which I think I mentioned the first time. We could honestly work on that. What time? Oh, we could schedule stuff too. Yeah, you know what? That sounds great. So we're gonna go on LinkedIn. We're going to. All right, awesome, terrific. Let's pull up our Canva. I don't know if I have like a LinkedIn, let's see. Perfect. I just had to tell Kaylee that I'm glad the sound's working great. Okay, so I think I have all these sized, by the way. If you ever need to know like what size everything has to be, I could probably, you know what I could probably do? I could probably share some things with you guys. Like have like a nice, like, maybe it's in the Discord or whatnot. Okay, we gotta find it though, so I think I gotta look it up. Instagram. I think it's just Instagram. Yeah, Instagram stories. No. We want like the slash. Let's see if we could find this. I think it's been a while since I've used the actual thing. I really went in here like a month ago and I had to clear out a lot of stuff. Like, see, that's a different account. But what we really want... Oh, here it is. Jeez. Oh, yeah, I named it our 9 Yaps thing. Yeah, here we go. So, we got some ideas that we were doing before. I really want the LinkedIn thing, though. I don't know if we have a LinkedIn one. Honestly, we probably should. But one of the things I was working on is naming everything, too. LinkedIn. It should just show up, maybe. LinkedIn. Yeah, we have, like, for different accounts. No, I think it's fine. We'll just make it on here. So, I think we're going to do a very basic design. Actually, we might actually... No, we are going to use this. I made this design a while ago, but it kind of fits Score. Maybe I have a picture I could use, honestly. Because I reached 50 hours. The reason why we're making a post is because I reached 50 hours. So we're going to work on that right now. Let me see my manager. I have 2 iPads, by the way. If you're wondering what my setup is, I have 2 iPads that are both doing like a dual screen for me. Oh geez, later. I don't want to do a software update. Oh shoot. Okay, I gotta use my finger. Oh man. Okay. Oh geez. Okay. Agree. Okay. It looks like Twitch is updating, but anyway, so we don't need 9 Yaps on this one. This is just gonna be Score. Let's lock that in there. You know what we have to do? I have to figure out how to get the chat to make noise, because I think my yeah, we don't have too much here, but we have chat makes noise like when someone says something, so I have to figure out how to finish that, setting that up too. Okay, let's go here. Stream manager. Okay, sweet. I think we're a lot better now. Perfect. Just had to update that. Alright, anyway. Yes. So we gotta find some Score photos. I thought... There we go. Go back here. So first we gotta pull up the Score logo. I know we have that somewhere. Let's see. Whoops. So we're on media. Gosh, I think it's under client logos maybe. Yeah, I have like a client logo section. I have a lot of different things here. Client logo. Here's Score. Great. So Score is a great platform. If anyone's running a business, if you're thinking about starting a business, if you run a current business, you should check out Score. It's free. I think I talked about this last time. I'm not sponsored by them. I just love it so much. It's a really great program. Now, I'm trying to think if I have any media, right? Because I reached 50 hours. I know I have a great... I don't even know. Case study. Description ideas? I don't even know what this is. This is different. Oh, it's Dakota's. Okay, what I'm really looking for is my big letters here. I swear we had that. Whoops. I swear we had that before. Whoops. Oh my gosh, what did we do? Okay, hold on. Alright, there we go. Great. So, yeah, LinkedIn. Is it BOS? Yeah, maybe BMS has... No. Interesting. What letters am I looking for? I think I'm looking for... I think it's in here. Whoops. Okay, there we go. I think it's in our stories here. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna take these ones. Okay, great. I just want to get this specific font. Okay, awesome. And then let's make it the color of Score. I love Canva. I can't get enough for Canva. I pay for the subscription for it. Okay, great. So 50 plus hours, right? Because I completed 50 hours. I think what we'll do is we'll do this. And then we'll make the 50 plus bigger. Maybe like, maybe we can make the whole thing a little bit bigger. Oh, I'm so glad I figured out the music too situation. I'm trying to, this is such a learning curve for me. I've been trying to figure out like how to use this and all this stuff. Here, we can make this a little bit bigger, I think. We might not even need multiple images, just like the nice one image. Because if we look at my LinkedIn, by the way, like we should do a whole thing about how to optimize your LinkedIn. I love LinkedIn. It does need some work in some aspects, but I love it. Yeah, I just kind of posted like this picture, and then I have like the other picture with Rob. So I don't know if I need to. I mean, I could put those up again. Whoops. I don't even know where those are. That's probably going to be under on my media folder, maybe random media. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh, there's so much. I gotta start organizing this stuff. Let's see. I'm just going through our media right now. You got a lot of media. Oh, you should have a lot of media for your business. Okay, so it's not in there. Oh yeah. No, that's an interview I did. Right now, I'm just looking at our media folders. I don't even know where. Wouldn't be under team. Honestly, maybe it's on my phone. I don't even know where I made that. Wasn't it showing on Canva like it was on one of these? Alright, we don't need these stories anymore. Yeah, like I swear it was on one of these. That's BMS. Am I tweaking out? I swear. Right, didn't we see Rob? I swear I saw it. Oh, maybe it was Instagram. That's what it was. It was when we were looking at that. Instagram. No? No, that's what we just looked at, right? Demo. Yep, and then this is... interesting. Maybe it was in the homepage. Yeah, I can see. Obviously, I'm not organized enough on here. I have to work on that. Jeez, man. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. See, this is a great. I had to like edit this. It's a really great picture. Right. So maybe we'll like duplicate this, and we'll just go like this, and then we'll go. Yeah, sweet. And I think what we'll do now, I have to upload it from my phone. Ooh, if I could find it, let's see. So that's gonna be like score. Let's see if it'll show up. I like the little feature. Yeah, that's so perfect. When like you could search something and then like it'll scan your camera roll and look for it. It's a great feature. Okay, sweet. Oops. Okay, interesting. Okay, and then we just got this photo. Awesome. Let's see how we're gonna fit these in here. Wish I had like another photo. Maybe I do, honestly. Maybe I should get this photo from me, and yeah, that's a... Wow, that's an old photo. Maybe I should... Oh, I guess I could use it. I have to see if I can remember it. Golf cart. No way it shows up. Oh, no, that's not the right one. Honestly, okay. I know exactly where it is. Photos. Ooh, maybe I don't. It's gonna be with Michelle. I gotta see, yeah, there we go. That's so funny. Yeah, maybe I will, yeah, we'll add that one too. I love that photo. Such a great photo. So when I first, when I got my Score Mentor, I, you know, we should rotate this photo. We had like a meetup and it was just so much fun. But I'm sure I could, honestly, yeah, you know what I could do? I can go here and I can go to Score and I can actually see how many people I've mentored. And that'll all show. And then I could actually add that on here. 50 plus hours, right? Let's make this gap not as big. That's a huge gap. Yeah, that's perfect. 50 plus, we can move this up. We can move, whoops, we can move this up. And then we could put like something underneath it that says like 10 local businesses, like our 10. Yeah, sweet. Okay. So we're gonna go to my client request. Yeah, I think right now I'm up to how many people? Oh, okay, 10. I'm up to 10. So that's not too bad. So yeah, 10. Look at that. I already had it. So 10 local businesses mentored. That makes no sense. So we're gonna make ChatGPT. Can you make this sound better? Are we looking? Is this glitching out? Or did I pause it? I think I paused it. I gotta figure out how to use this thing. Okay, we're just gonna leave that like that. It's paused. We don't need to worry about that right now. Alright, anyway. Mentoring. Providing mentorship to 10 local businesses. Maybe mentor 10 local business supported, guided. I like provided mentorship. Providing mentorship to 10 local businesses. We'll have to make that like a little bit smaller. Yeah, sweet. Easy and professional. If you ever need like if you ever need to like make like posts for your brand, have like a common theme, right? Like 9yaps, for instance. I mean, I don't use it too much anymore because like we have like our content. But you can see like there's like this green, like it kind of. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, there you go. It kind of like goes into the other green. That's like our theme, right? For like LinkedIn and like we have a student organization. That's what this kind of like blue wavy thing is. But anyway, so I like these photos. We just imported the last photo, or did we? No, we might not have imported that last photo yet. So let's do that now. Such a great photo. Yeah, always take a lot of photos. That's why I do the streaming. Like I love just getting as much media out there as possible. Like all good stuff, you know. Okay, great. So this is like, look at this, like just great community. Anyway, this actually works out good because we can make this one the same size as this. We could actually go like that. That looks great. I could even tag. Yeah, we could stretch this out maybe a little bit. Let's see. So maybe we'll move this over a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. All right, I feel like we could definitely make that bigger. I don't know, I kind of like this photo. And like sometimes you just have to play with things too. Like, what if I shorten this, but then it's gonna make it too wide, I bet. Yeah. Unless, I've done this before too, give them all like 9 with borders on like a 25 rotation with the same score color. Then I can get creative here and let's see, maybe we'll just make them all a little bit smaller. Yeah, because like I've already kind of posted 2 of these photos, so I just need to do something like that, right? That's nice. That looks nice. Providing mentorship to 10 local businesses. Right, maybe we'll uppercase the M, uppercase the L, make it look good in that sense. Sweet. Always good to post on LinkedIn. I don't know if I post enough on LinkedIn. I like to have like fewer good posts on LinkedIn. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you know what? I wonder if anyone's had problems with Stream Manager before. So I'm using like this Twitch Stream Manager. It's just the one that comes with it's the one that comes with Twitch, but I think it's delayed. It's delayed like 30 seconds. And then I look over here, and this one, like if we just go here, like I just move my hand like that. Let's see which one goes first. That one just went. And then this one's so delayed. That's crazy. Maybe I should go like this. Hold on. Maybe we should get creative here. Maybe we should go, because I gotta get monitors too. That's another thing on my list. Like eventually. Stream Manager. Alright, yeah, let's see how far behind this one is. So let's go, my hand up. Let's see how long it takes. Yeah, hand went right up. I just pointed up there. Wow, the one up there is just so delayed. I don't know why. Here, maybe what I'll do is I'll close it out. And then I'll go back to Stream Manager. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the hand up again. And really, it should be the exact same time. No, it's so late. Oh my gosh. All right, you know what? So this top screen is almost useless now. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll use Stream Manager. Wow, I got to get used to this a lot because this is kind of confusing, man. Users chat. What does that mean? Okay. Pop out chart. Oh. Well, see, now that makes it so much easier, doesn't it? Oh my god, that's so funny. Okay, wait, hold on. Can we pop out anything else? What else can I pop out? Can I pop out this? Oh shoot, I lost my pop out. Show pop out. This is so funny. This is learning together, guys. Okay. Okay. But see, then I can't see the amount of people that are live. I guess it doesn't matter. Right? I guess it really doesn't matter. This is so interesting. Okay, what do we got? Oh, stream health. Oh, interesting. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, hold on. Chat. Quick actions. Activity feed. Edit stream info. Oh, yeah, okay. Collaboratory. Right? Activate mods. Predictions. Oh, this is so interesting. The only thing, you can't really see like the view count. Like, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter too much, but that's so interesting. I mean, if anyone knows, please let me know. But I guess what I could do, even if it's inaccurate, I think I'll use the Stream Manager up top because that's kind of like where it is right now. Yeah, connecting the chat. Yeah, it's just behind. It's just behind, I guess, right? I mean, that's okay. But like, if someone's saying something, I guess I wanna be able to answer quickly. All right, that's okay though. What we'll do is we'll leave chat here and we'll close this for now and we'll just leave it like that. Look at that. We could pause this. We don't need to confuse anyone. Okay, great. So let's go back to our post. So I think this is perfect, right? We got our score, 50 plus hours, 50 plus volunteering hours. Volunteering hours. That's way too big, of course. Nope. Just this part. Sweet. Let's make it like 100 maybe. Okay, this is obviously a little bit too big now. It's all about playing around with that. Volunteering hours. Do we like that? Maybe we should put this in the middle. Maybe we should go like that. And then maybe we should make this like 50. How are we looking? So much better. $50 plus volunteering hours. I think it's good. Great. Okay, and then we got this one. This one's fine. Yeah, I guess I would just keep the chat there. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Because if I had like a monitor, like 2 monitors would be a lot easier. The iPads are kind of small. Not like the small iPads, but they are pretty small here. Whoops. Let's see. So we want to go make a post. Let's go to my profile. Yeah, 2 monitors would be nice. I got a nice monitor at my parents' that I would love to bring. Okay, great. So now we're gonna make a post. Whoops. Make a post. There we go. Create a post. All right, we have to download our Canva things. So check this one more time. Good. 50 plus volunteering hours, providing mentorship to 10 local businesses. Sweet. I like that a lot. We got our little photos there. Let's download it. Call it a day on that. Now, real quick, I'm curious how stream sounds. I gotta say the one thing though, I could like pause this and I can go up here real quick and see. I can see how stream sounds. Oh my goodness, if I click the button fast enough. I can see how stream sounds. Oh my goodness, if I click the button fast enough. No, I didn't hit it fast enough. Alright, so what we have to do, we have to time it right. So we have to like listen to some music for a little bit, and then we gotta pause it and go right up to here. And then we gotta pause it. Wow, it's just so funny. You can't even like, I can't do it fast enough. But anyway, I guess it means it's not delayed as much, which is good. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to Canva. It's jumping at me. Doesn't matter what the zip is called. You know, let's just make sure the sounds good. Let's open up the zip file. Let's drag these photos on. So we got photo. Whoops, I downloaded the wrong ones here. Page 1. Sweet. Phenomenal. You know, I think that's a good idea. Maybe we just have chat up. Let's go, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, and then put photo number 2. Photo number 2. Oh my. Oh, I should have done that. Okay, hold on. Add media. There we go. Wow, I don't think I've had difficulty like this before. Okay, perfect. Great. Whew. All right, now we have to create a description. Can you create a description of a LinkedIn or description for a LinkedIn post about me getting 50 plus volunteering hours with SCORE and also mentoring 10 local businesses. Sweet. So, and we gotta go unique. A lot of people always say the same type of things. I'm grateful or something like that. And you don't need hashtags too. Apparently LinkedIn does not do hashtags. So apparently ChatGPT does not know that. Okay, let's change the I'm grateful. A lot of people already use that. Sweet. Yeah, because like then when I have more monitors, I can put like my text up there and all that stuff. Ooh, yeah, there we go. All right, usually what I like to do, I just go like this. We'll have to combine some things. So reaching 50 plus volunteering hours with SCORE mentors has been a rewarding milestone. Through this experience, I've had the opportunity to mentor 10 local businesses, help entrepreneurs think through challenges, identify opportunities, and take the next steps in growing their ventures. As a student entrepreneur and founder of 90 Hours, it's been valuable to share lessons from my own journey while learning from the many business owners I've met along the way. That's pretty good. I would like to combine those and then separate that. You know, we could separate all these. I'm not opposed to that. You know, maybe we can combine these though. Sweet. Okay, good. I feel like this is small, doesn't it? Seem small. Okay. Okay, and we'll just double check. Awesome. All right, good. You know, we're gonna schedule this too. Forgot you could schedule this. So we'll make it for tomorrow at maybe like 12 is probably fine. Okay, interesting. So schedule. Awesome. Done. Where is that? Done. You know, I don't really go in order with this. This is why we need what is it called? I gotta do a tutorial on it. I don't even know what it's called. It's over here somewhere. No, maybe it's not. It's right here. Hold on. Notion. Jeez, we really need to get Notion going. Okay. All right. So we're gonna work on our merchant success playbook. I don't think we're going to finish this today, but what we could do is get it started. So let's go on our website provider, which is Hostinger, and let me just sign in real quick. Because this is going to be a pretty hefty task I have to do. It's not all going to be done today. I have to record some videos, which I think I might make some scripts for today. We'll see how it goes. Let's see. Okay, let's put this back in our chain here. Move that like that. Start a new chat. Okay, so this is our website. It's phenomenal. We have to figure out a place to put this. So right now we have add my business, discover deals and discounts, business partners, business FAQs. So we need different names for, what is this? Merchant Success Playbook. So, okay. It's going to showcase how a business can maximize their efforts using, wow, 9 apps. What is a good page name? Let's see what it says. I feel like business success guide. I feel like a local business might not fully understand playbook, and something like how to succeed. I like that. Or maximize your results with 9 apps. I feel like something like this, or honestly, like any of these are pretty good. Watch, ChatGPT is gonna blindly agree with me, but whatever. Ooh. Need some coffee. Alright, I would lean towards getting the most from 9 apps. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Okay, so yeah, okay, great. So we can go like this. We can make a brand new page. Oops. Pages. Add page. Empty page. Getting the most from 9 apps. Is our other ones all uppercase? It is. It's probably gonna say that. It's probably gonna say that. Getting the most from 9 apps. How's our camera looking too, by the way? I was gonna put up this window shade, but I don't want it to get like too bright. I think that's good. It's getting darker now, which is good. So, okay. So I don't think that's a bad thing. I think we gotta move it like right there, so it has a nice like. Whoops! Did we not change the name of it? Oh, it always does that. Getting the most from 9 apps. I see. Some people don't uppercase everything. I like to. Getting the most from 9 apps. Getting the most from 9 apps. I don't know. Maybe that sounds too much for our users. Does sound like it might get confusing for users. Merchant Success Guide, honestly, I'm starting to like Merchant. I like this one. Grow your business with 9 apps. I like this. Honestly, I think that's good. It's gonna agree finally, but yeah, I'm gonna do that because you know what? I can't just do grow your business with 9 apps because that's already kind of like implied. Alright, we're going to save that. We're going to move it down here, though, because we're not ready to fully launch it. Whew. I guess we don't have to hit save, but for now we'll just do that. And this is a registered trademark too. Yeah, I think we might change all this stuff. So, yeah, because we just got 9 Yeps is now a registered trademark, so we have to figure out if we're going to. Let's go back. Let's go back here for now. Okay. Maybe I should change all that now. So we're actually trying a few different things. So let's see if we could pull up the logo real quick. I don't know if it's going to do exactly what I want it to do. No, it's not. Ooh. Yeah, I think what we'll do. No, that's the internship program one. Let's see. Is this it right here? Yeah, it is. So, like, this is what it is right now. Yeah, we made a couple different ones. So, I really do like the local deals and discounts, but I think what we might do. I don't know why that's one like a weird color. So I think what we're now going to do is add that registered trademark thing. So where is that going to be? I think that's going to be, it's actually going to be on here. See, it's, I kind of like this too. This is clean, like just how, here, you know, let's experiment with some different things here. Okay. So wow. Okay. Anyway, holy cow. Where's our little trademark thing? We don't even need that. We need this little guy. Which trademarking you don't even need to do for a while for your business. So like, yeah, we could change it. I haven't decided yet, but we could just make it 9 Yeps. All right, we can go something like. Something like that. Because one definitely has to go in this corner. And I had this great idea to... Is that even clear? Maybe we should upload a new logo. Not a new logo, but like a clear logo. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still even learning like this whole media stuff too, because like sometimes things look better doing it differently. No, okay, so that one's definitely better. That one's 800 by 800, if anyone's wondering. Now let's see if this one's any different, better, worse. Probably worse, honestly. It seems like, I don't know what's going on, but the one we got in there is very clear. It's just the edges are a little weird, but that's okay. You can't even notice on the website. But it's probably because I'm zoomed in a lot. Anyway, we're gonna go like this. You know, I need a ruler. Whoops. Just using this as a guide. Okay, we need another one. It's so funny. It keeps like refreshing the chat for some reason, and it's like telling me welcome to the chat. Okay, let's go like, oof, we nearly need to zoom in here. I had to officially make this too. I think I have before. I don't think it's in my, is it in here yet? Like, I'm just looking at my like media folder real quick. I'm seeing what we have in here. No, I don't think so. So we have to make one anyway, so. But now if you remove these, nice. You know what we're gonna do? I think we're gonna make this the same size. All right, so real quick though, I don't think we're gonna do this. See, I like this local deals and discounts. Maybe I'm just used to it. You know, it's so hard. I've looked at this so many times that it's so hard to like know what's perfect, you know. And obviously it's never gonna be perfect, but anyway, the alternative. We're gonna do the same thing here, I think. Honestly, this one's a little different. So this one doesn't have as big of an edge. So I think as long as it's lined up on this bottom here, I'm perfectly fine with that. Right? Alright, so here's the options. It's either this or it's this, and we are going to make this R a little bit smaller. I think you're like not even almost supposed to see it. Something like that. Is that too far away? Let's look up a company. Let's see. What company is going to have that? I think Yingling Brewery has it. Ooh. It's so funny. Their draft house that they have, like right nearby. They website. They yeah, you see how tiny that is? That's like microscopic. Well, that one's bigger. So, do we think that this is too big? No, right? It's perfect. So we can make the big leap. See, the only thing though, like, are people gonna not know what it is? Local deals and discounts. No, because I guess it says it everywhere, right? No matter what you go on the page. Honestly, let's ask Kaylee. She's our copy editor, so we should ask her what she likes better. This is page 2 and 3. Yeah, we'll send her a quick text, and we'll see what she says. Love this music. Okay, let's see what she says. Because I feel like this is too thick in a way. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh shoot! Now we gotta give her 1, 2, and 3. Hold on. So she has 1 and 2. Ooh, honestly, because like, what's gonna stand out more, right? That's like the goal is. All right, there's also a few different options, right? We got not that, but hold on. I wanted to see. No, I do not like that. It's like not Robo. It's not that. It's something else. Oh, maybe it is Robo. Is it? Do we have Robo already up in here? Poppins. Yeah, Poppins has like more options here. No, I like Robo though. Okay, we're gonna do Robo. We're gonna send her these 3 things. Whoops. And then we're gonna go page 4. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Which one you like better? I got my cat under here. He's under the bed right now. It's like underneath me. Oh, you know what I just thought of though? You can't really see me if I do this. Okay. We are learning it here. Let's see. Maybe we'll make this a little bit smaller too, actually. Whoop. Okay, great. I'm curious what she's gonna say. I think she's gonna go for 3. Between 1 and 3, yeah. I think so too. Yeah. So she said 1. She said 1, and she said, well, her it's 1, 2, 3. Us it's 2, 3, 4. But I think honestly, here we can get rid of this one. Oh, I think honestly it's 2. I think I should now make the switch to 3. Ooh, brightness changed a lot. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I think we should start making that switch. Cause like, I like buy local deals and discounts, but now it's like even here, it's like, you know how you see how small that is. Like when you're on your phone, it's like, damn, that's pretty small. Yeah, let's send her that. Because look how it is now on mobile. Really small. She's coming back for ice cream, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, this whole thing is a fun project to change too. Let's see. Yeah, because honestly, then it'll give me more room for this button. Maybe today's just about website. Honestly, website development here. And I think sounds good. Yeah, okay. The votes are in. We're gonna update these images here. Okay, but before we do that, I think it's good. Let's ask ChatGPT just to see what its opinion is. I like to ask a lot of people's opinions. I like to really like make sure I'm making the decision I want to make here. You know what? No. You know what we'll do? We'll give ChatGPT 1, 2, or 3. Which one do you like better? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, so 1. Let me not mess this up now. 1, 2. It might not be able to know the order, but we'll just see what happens. Really, it likes the large one. That's so interesting. It feels disconnected, it says. I don't know. I mean, honestly, I wish there was like an in-between for this. I thought there was. I thought like it goes down. Like how Poppins has like all these extra ones. I swear Robo had that. Oh, there's also Now. No. Ooh, that's tough, man. I wish this one was like just a little bit thicker. Yeah, we could star the font. I didn't even know you could do that. Yeah, you know what though? I don't know. So this is for the website. Let's see. Let's just see what it looks like. What do you think now? I think it's a little too bold. This is so funny. I hate how it just keeps agreeing with me. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Let's no more playing with that. We're gonna use 3. Okay, let's put it up top. All right, and we're gonna update the logo. I don't even know why we were doing this to begin with, but we're gonna update it because I think it's just time, right? It's time to make that adjustment. So let's see. Let's get the 9 ups. Let's put that down there, and let's go like this. Okay. One thing though. Ooh, I don't know. See, you know what's so funny? I've been looking at the regular logo for 2 years, so it's like I don't know what's better. You know, hold on. Let's disregard actually all of these. Let's delete this. Let's delete that. What we have to do is make this logo smaller because that is a little bit too big. Oh, but we have to. Yep. Group. Okay, sweet. Yeah, we have to make it smaller. And you know what? Let's just delete the other ones, right? Because then we can just do it on one. And it should be good. Okay, boom, boom. Whoops. Okay. Okay, you know what? No, we want to go like this, and then like that. And put that a little bit closer. Right? It's all about just eyeing it, honestly. You know what? I think the logo is still too big. Hold on, how big is it on there? Yeah, no, it needs to be up. Well, this is tricky, man. Okay, yeah, let's make it a little bit smaller. Even a little bit more. Sweet. How close is it in there? Pretty close. This is so funny. Okay, right? What are you thinking about that? We know obviously this is like a little off, right? We can go like that. Doesn't. Oh wait, shoot. No. There we go. Sweet. I don't know. I'm starting to like debate about that bold one, but we know what we'll do. We'll download all 3 of them. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, today's about this website. It's really important because I do have to make some updates. So because like a lot of our local business partners, they ask questions, and this solves a lot of their questions. Okay, right, it's that. What we have now. And then it's the bold one. Watch, it's gonna be the bold one. It's gonna be the bold one that looks the best. I don't know, I'm telling you. Jeez. No, it's too bold. That is way too bold. There's no way I can't. Well, maybe it does look good. Shoot. Oh my god, this is so funny. Alright, let's go to the home page. You know what? I see what we have to do. Okay. Alright, we're taking all these screenshots here. You know what? Let's delete these 3 first. Okay, this has the legit one. These need to be thrown away. Whoops. Oh no. Oh no, did I make this small? Okay, great. And then, no, I know exactly. It's gonna be, whoops. Oh man, I'm clicking too many things here. I think I know exactly what it's gonna be. It's not gonna be this one, it's gonna be this one. Man, get out of here. Alright, and then we're gonna go preview. Yeah. ChatGPT was right, I think. Yeah, now all of our answers are gonna change. It's so funny how that works. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to text it. There we go. Alright, now we can make a judgment for ourselves here. Yeah, so obviously the old logo has to go. It's the new one, right? It's the new one. It's the thick one. It's gotta be the thicker one. She's gonna say it too. Watch, her answer's gonna change. That's so funny. She's probably driving right now with my ice cream. Alright, so I think we're gonna go with the thicker one. Now that that's done, we gotta update this bottom one too. Oh, but we need this one to be background moved because it's a different gray. Oh, that's why it was gray, guys. That's why it was gray. Okay, let's go here, and we're gonna take that gray. That's exactly why it was gray. That seems too dark. There we go. Improvements. It's little improvements as time goes on, right? Absolutely. Honestly, that font might be too big. Nope, I think it's good. If anything, this logo has to be bigger. Like that. Look at that. Okay, we don't want to update the website, yo. Yeah. Actually, we could. Merchant Success Guide. Because right now it's like, you can't really search that. Unless you really just knew that that is what I made. Alright, let's update the website, I think. Yeah, she's definitely gonna say that that new one is better. Let's update it. I want to update it before I do anything else. So where's my water? Here we go. All right. So I don't even know what a merchant success thing looks like. So let's go to you know what? No, I think we have to ask ChatGPT, like, what websites have a merchant success playbook? How's that music? Hopefully it's not too loud. Oh, DoorDash Learning Center. Welcome to the Learning Center. Access step-by-step guides to set up your store, manage your store operations, and make the most of your DoorDash partnership. See, here's these videos. Let's see how many views these have. Shh. Okay, here we go. See, only 3,000 views? Well, I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense. Now I'm curious. Yeah, see, for the millions of businesses that they have, not many people watch these videos. That's the funny thing about this. I like how this looks really nice. I wonder if Uber has one, right? I mean, because that's technically our competitors eventually. Like when we start dominating the discount market, theoretically. These images are so funny. Waffles look good. What are you doing under there, Pad Thai? He likes to crawl under the bed. I think the other one's in the closet. We had our fire alarm going off in the apartment, like, all day, man. Alright, I like this. This looks better. Now, like I said, I don't like to copy things directly, but I like to get inspiration. So, yeah, now the website should be updated. Yeah, I mean, the thick one's good. Oh, she's looking at it. Ooh, she's been looking at it for 2 minutes, deciding which one looks better. Okay, great. So, let's go to that Merchant Success book, or Merchant Success Guide. What do they call it? Learning Center? Learning Center? I mean, I guess. I don't know. That sounds like... I don't even know. Yeah, we gotta get some images in here. I like this, like, little slash thing, but we have to stay with our design. So we have to go... Yeah, we have to get like pictures of people and all that stuff. We have to get a lot of good stuff going on here. I really like that. What if we get inspiration from that? I just want to try it out. How do we even do that? We have to go to get a page. Yeah, we'd have to make. Oh, I know I keep clicking. Just think for a second. Yeah, I think we have to go to Canva. Canva gets very tricky with this stuff. So if I'm making. Making an image on Canva for a background on my Hostinger website page. What should the size be? Yes, music's pretty good. Once we like get through a lot of it, or maybe get through it a couple times, I'll change it up. Or if you have any suggestions on copyright-free music, you let me know, and I am all open for it. Website pages. Let's do Hostinger. I'm really trying to get like Hostinger. Such a crazy name, right? I think it's like, it's European. Forgot where they're from exactly. Alright, I want to just see what this looks like. I like this little slash. Let's see what their whole... Oh, see, they have like a whole... Yeah, see, look, you can go like this. Whole different page, right? Can we just go to DoorDash.com? What does that even look like? DoorDash. I've never been... You know, it's funny. I've never been to their websites. Been on the Uber one. Oh, jeez. No, I don't want you to sign up. Yeah, I mean, it's just basic, right? It looks clean. It's good. It's normal, right? I'm really interested in this for merchants. See, I do like that. But see, the thing is, I don't think I'm big enough for that yet. Like, when someone just wants to go 9 yaps, right? It's gotta pull this up, right? Add my business, discover deals and discounts. Maybe I should put this as deals and discounts. No, that's fine. Like, it's just so interesting seeing, like, I wouldn't want it to be separated, right? Because, like, if I'm a business, right? And I'm like, I want to add myself on DoorDash, right? We're just going to look up DoorDash. Okay. And I want to be like, okay, let's just see how, like, what it is. DoorDash, let's just see what I put sign up, right? I think then it's like, yeah, then it goes to merchant. Oh, it even does, like, my location. Could earn. I guess. But if I just looked up DoorDash, right? Like, let's see how hard it is to find. Sign up. I want to sign up my business, right? So I think this is where it gets confusing. Become a merchant. There you go. There you go. Become a... Yeah, but see... That's kind of conflicting. I mean, as a consumer, like, because the brand's so big, I'm not going on the website. Like I said, I've never been on this website. But yeah, I guess I would be a little... If I was, like, in a different generation, it would be a little confusing. But now it says, become a Dasher, become a merchant, get the best DoorDash experience. Yeah, it's very interesting, but not many people are going to the website anyway. They pour so much money into it. Anyway, we got to get back to what we were doing here. Does anyone remember? Does anyone remember? Okay, hold on. Door. Shoot, I gotta find out where we were. We were, oh man. Okay, hold on. DoorDash. Sign up, right? It was in that area. This is so funny. Where is, yeah, you know what? I think, here we go. It's so funny. Nope, not Uber. Yeah, I don't know. The Uber one just looks too, like, too techy, right? Like, I don't know, something about it. I'm just not, like, you got orange, then you got this yellow, and then black. I don't know. I think DoorDash won this one. DoorDash Merchant Academy? What? Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, because they made a bookmark. How many subscribers do they have? 100,000? They should be posting, like, shorts, like, every day. No, it's just ads, man. They just post ads. No, dude, they gotta post that relatable content, but I guess I don't want to tell them that, right? Alright, anyway, stop clicking different things. We need to go to the Learning Center. Okay, let's go back to Canva. We're gonna make this exact thing, and then we're gonna edit it. Holy cow, that was a sidetrack. Went a little side quest. Okay, let's go like this. Great, it's nice and easy. I got a little speck on my computer. Turn that maybe a little bit. Yeah, I'm so glad I figured out this microphone thing, because, like, I'm not gonna talk because it might be too loud, but I was like this close. Like, it's ridiculous. I was like, there's no way, something's wrong. I even ordered, like, the thing that goes on the bed, like I was saying last time. Like, I mean, I need that anyway, but it's just like, I was like, man, what's going on? Let's find the middle. Well, I actually got that pretty well. Right? And then, yeah, I just want to try this out. Like, I like their inspiration, right? And then let's go, let's do a little bit more, I think. Right? And then I have a very specific picture I want to use. I gotta upload. Oh, she didn't answer yet. Which one? Oh, she's here. She can tell me. Let's see. Alright, I'll find that photo. Oh, we're waiting for her to come over here. Hey, did you see my text? Here, come look. Ooh, this was a long time ago, so I'm gonna have to find it. Look, so much better, right? Oh, I'm online right now, but yeah, look. I went with the thicker one. Did you see the pictures I sent you?
Yeah, thick ones.
Yeah, cause look, when you go to mobile. Whoops, let me go to preview. I'm gonna mess this whole thing up. Yeah, look, see, you can just tell. Actually, I gotta move that over. But it looks a lot better, doesn't it? Ooh, maybe I can't make that. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright, yeah, I gotta move that over though, because that looks kind of weird, doesn't it? What is it right now? Is it, oh, well, I just re-edited it so we can find out. I don't know why that's so... See, Hostinger is good. Like I said, if you want a cheap website provider, Hostinger. But you're limited, okay? Like, you definitely are limited here. Make header sticky. Ooh, maybe I want it to be stickier, huh? Ooh, maybe I do. Hold on. But we don't want it sticky on here. Oh, maybe we do. Hold on. Maybe we want the header sticky. I haven't played around with these settings in a while. Maybe we want this. Ooh, maybe we want this. No, maybe it kind of takes away. Honestly, maybe we... I don't know, but what is... Oh, they made it sticky, don't they? You know what? Uber makes it... Ooh, Uber! See, this is so funny. Uber doesn't make it sticky. DoorDash makes it sticky. What do? We don't know. We don't have our sticky right now, but we could make it sticky. I know you're sharing that, right? That's so funny. Do we like it sticky? You know what we should do? We should... See, it's hard because we lose, like, what? Like a inch when we're previewing it on here? No, I don't like how much we lose. Oh, you know why? They have a thin... Ooh, maybe we gotta make it thinner. I mean, that might take away from our logo. Wow, this is so interesting. Because I like putting this, the #1 discount app. No, you know, I don't think we need to make it sticky. Let's just not make it sticky for now. You know, it's so funny. We're supposed to be making a merchant success page. And we're doing all this extra side quests, but I love it. That's alright. So, what do we need to do then? Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. I was looking for my photo. Okay, we have to go... Let's see. Gosh, how far down is that gonna, or how far up is that gonna be? It's not gonna be too far, I don't think. Let's see. Ooh. Man, how far away was that? That was when I made that video. Maybe that'll give me a good sense, actually, of when. So what I'm referring to, if it didn't already make clear sense, which it probably doesn't, I don't know what I've shared. If we go to YouTube, we're starting to get a lot of tabs here. We need both of these. If we go to YouTube, all right, and we go to 9yaps. Oh yeah, I wanted to see 2 months ago. So that was 2 months ago, meaning that we need to go to... Oh man. We need to go to somewhere around here. Yep, there it is. So, I like this photo a lot. It's such a great photo. Oops. I'm trying to get a screenshot of it. Wow, such a great photo. Okay, let's screenshot this, and we're just going to upload. I just want to play around with something real quick. I know I have to get more media, so none of this is finalized. Ooh, thank you. But let's see what this looks like. Oh, got some nice cold ice cream. You know, I guess I should... See, this is why I gotta get the arm mic, so that I'm not distracting or making weird noises. Anyway, so what I'm going to do here, if this fits, right, we're going to, and then bring to front. Man, those lights are crazy. Okay, so this might not work, but that might work. So we got a couple different photos we could do here. Forgot what photo they use. They use what, like some random? Oh no, not random. That's actually a really good photo. See, we need more pictures like that. This one, I don't know if it fits that well. Wow, it's good. Let's see. We could do this photo here. Let's do different ones. So we got this photo because we went to this business for our introduction video specifically, which is all on the website. Also, I can go like this too. We can move this over. Nice. That looks good. Only thing though is it's a little distracting. I mean, I guess this one isn't any much different. Look, they got their logo here. It's so nice. They have like 3 different reds here, but yeah, okay, so we have that one. Whoops, let's not make too many duplicates here. We have this one. Let's make another duplicate, and then let's see if we can get another image here. Let's see. Oh, we have the Coldstone one too. I think the Coldstone one's a little too distracting, definitely. And then we have one of people cooking, but I don't know if that really fits what we want. We actually got a lot of great media that day. Our introduction video for businesses is so good. We have to make one for users. You know, I think that's fine for now. Let's just even see if this is something that we're going to use. Let's go like that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Merchant success guide, and then we're gonna. So I think we could just change the whole background, and we're gonna hope it all all comes out well. Let's see. But I don't know, this is just an idea. Just brainstorming different things. Cause you want it to come out really nice. Oh jeez. Oh my. So obviously that didn't work out. It's too big, right? We gotta. So that means we have to change the width of the image, or the height. So it's right now it's 1080. What if we? All right. What if we just do like 1920? Is that too long? No, that's good. 1920 by 800 maybe. I like how it saves this. This actually has helped me a couple times. See, this seems almost too wide, but we'll find out. Oh, sweet. You know what this does? This gives me a lot more room to work with. Oh, that looks nice. That looks so much better. I actually kind of like how you can see the whole thing. Amazing. Okay. Wow, this is melting. That is good. And then... And you know what? We might be able to shrink this, right? Because it doesn't actually cover up the whole page. No, that might be worse. Oh, wait. No, it's not. We got it. Oh, look at that. Sweet, right? And then... Now, I know this is exactly what theirs looks like. We will have to change it. Don't worry. Wow. Okay. And there you go, right? Yeah, this is so interesting. Get started, menu help. I like these videos though. So we have our video on the website. We have to get more. I think video guides are the best thing you could do. Okay. Alright, now that's done, right? Yeah, just sweatshirt after that. Okay, so this looks good. And then what we could do here is put the title over there. Wow, that looks great. Do they use this in any other part of their website? Oh my gosh, they use it in like every part of their website. What does Uber do? They just put this big... pricing. I've never even looked at this before. Wow, they take so much money. What's the problem with... This is why we stand out. Like, they take so much money. And you gotta pay monthly, usually with these too. It's so bad. Like, it's actually a lot. Okay, wow. Chart Mirror, Chart Plus. Wait, do you not? Why? I don't see any monthly fees. Usually there's monthly fees. Let's just see what it looks like. Start free trial. Oh, see, that's where... Oh, 30-day free trial. This is so interesting. I've looked at this before, but I've never really... Alright, anyway, enough of that. So, I like this, but we have to make it our own, right? We can't... I don't even know if I like how this looks, either. We have to just kind of play around with that. Okay, great. So, we got that. We'll change it up later. Yeah, their font looks good. I gotta say, the website's really nice. A lot of tight words. Our words are kind of separate. Pick a plan that works best for your restaurant. I feel like this is a little bit easier to read. It's also nighttime, too. So, maybe it's kind of hard for me to see what it looks like. Whew, yeah, it really did get chilly. Okay. Okay, great. So anyway, yeah, see, there's the Welcome to 9 Yaps video. It's a really great video. So anyway, we need to put information on here. So we got the video. Yeah, we gotta do the introduction video, right? So we gotta pull that from Add My Business, definitely. For now. Right, all this is subject change. Oh my goodness, I wonder what it looks like on here. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad at all, actually. Okay. You know, something about like this white space up here is not... Like, it goes 9 Yaps color, this, and then that. It's not looking good. What if I just went like this? Whoops, did that not work? Oh. Wait. Hold on, it should be... No, wait. But see, that's what makes us stand out. I don't want to, like, if this doesn't look good because of that, we have to adapt. We could also do this lower down, too, honestly. We don't have to put it right here, but anyway, we need to get this section down. We can even switch these. Ooh, that's better, right? Holy cow. That is amazing. Okay, this looks so much better. Maybe we'll do that, right? So then it's yeah. That's phenomenal. Okay. So honestly, that looks really good. Cause look, we just go like there's a lot of white space here. I mean, I like that, right? This is so interesting. I can get lost in this. Let's make sure we're staying on track here. All right, upgrade thumbnail, hotkey. Yeah, we have to make a hot. Let's just try to do that real quick. Okay. You know, I think I actually have to go to OBS. I remember it saying you can create like a shortcut. We don't want to add a scene. We don't want to add, here, let's pull this up. We don't want to add a scene. We don't want to do that. We want to add a shortcut. How do I make a short Oh, yes. Settings, select hotkeys. Really? It loves to lie, doesn't it? There you go. Oh man, okay. How do I make one so the camera on me goes from the corner to full screen? Alright, that was a good way to explain it. Okay, scene 1, normal layout. The easiest way is to use 2 scenes. Scene 1, normal layout. Oh no, I'm gonna have to, that's gonna be something I have to do later, I think. You know what, we're gonna have to do scene 2. Wait. Oh no, it's going black. Okay, hold on. Duplicate. Oh, wow. Yes, I think so. I think so. So scene 2, right? Oh, sweet. Wow, this is the quickest I've figured something out on this whole platform. Look at that. Now we really have to make it cover the whole screen. I don't know why it doesn't yet, but that, like I said, that's actually on the list. So now we gotta make a hotkey. Oh, there's even a little transition. All right, let's not overclick. Okay, all right, hotkey. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. Okay, fine. Switch to scene. Got it. You know what? Can I do a Control F on there? No, I cannot. Okay, that's okay. Oh, look at scene 1. Show. Oh, we got it. Don't even sweat it. Except for we only have oh, we have to name them. So this is going to be scene. What should we name this to? Like stream. Right? Stream. Stream 1. Desktop, right? Desk. Facecam? Like facecam? Webcam? Camera? Webcam? We'll just keep it like that for right now, right? And then we'll go settings, and then oops, and then we'll go settings, and then we'll go hotkeys, and then we'll go switch the scene now. Alright. Let's do, what if we just did like, right? And then we can go, oh wait, no, I want these to be separate. Hold on, webcam, desktop. I don't know why they're separate like that, but hold on, my bad. Alright, webcam, we're gonna make the F17. Well, I guess, honestly, like, does it matter? My bad. We'll make it 16, and then we'll make this one 17 for now. Yeah, that looks good. What are we thinking about that? That looks so, that's so cool. We're gonna get really optimized here. So, that was on my list to do, too. Done. Sweet. Let's yeah, that's gonna be like a work in progress. Yeah, we gotta do a couple things here. Yeah, the website, like I said, the website's gonna be a huge work in progress. Huge work in progress. Done. That's not done yet. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Yeah, the bigger logo is better. Wow, we're gonna really work on this website. It's just so awesome. Because this is already, I mean, oh, you know what, to be fair though, the resting screen for this, oh, I should not have done that. I don't think I shouldn't have refreshed the page. But anyway, the only thing though is that the resting photo is the same as this photo, so we have to figure that out too. So that's why I got to get more images, right? We'll probably, yeah, we'll have to get some more images. So anyway, for right now, we're good on that. Okay, we worked on that for a little bit. We have to upgrade my thumbnail. That is another thing we have to do. We've done this full screen thing. Yeah, we got to optimize our Eventbrite too. Yep, we did these ones. I really should organize these a little bit better. So we're gonna go like that. This is why. What do we need? What's it called? It's not Descript. It's not Discord. We need Notion. We gotta get Notion going. We should just bookmark Notion at this point. But anyway, yeah, we got some comments to respond to. Upgrade our thumbnail. So yeah, you know what? We can make our thumbnail because now I know what this our stream is mainly about, right? I think we still have to make. Did we make the third one? Oh yeah, we did. Look, oh, but my picture's not there. Okay, great. This is perfectly fine. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna say. Well, is it about website? I guess we don't really know yet, right? We're about like upgraded. Working on the startup. No, I feel like, yeah, I don't know. We always do random stuff. I don't know if we should even have a stream where we just do 3 hours of website. I feel like that's like, even for me, like that's too much. Like I think it's really healthy to like take a break, step back, see what's going on, and take it from there. So maybe we won't even. Maybe we'll put a whole bunch of things, right? We could put host. We could put the Hostinger logo. We could put a whole bunch of things. So maybe we're not ready for that. But anyway, so we don't need this page. We don't need this. And then I guess I just X out something else. Sweet. Okay. No, I want to bookmark this for now. Awesome. Let's take a little break from doing that. We save that. So anyway, yeah, we have a lot of comments to respond. We do really great with YouTube. Oh, Eventbrite. So one project we're going to be working on is something I literally just thought of this a couple hours ago. But we're going to optimize our Eventbrite. And then, you know, just to get even more people on the stream or just the network, and for you all to hear other entrepreneurs talk, we're gonna host events on Eventbrite, and then is this too loud? You gotta let me know if this music's too loud too. And then host events on Eventbrite and have them on the stream, cause why not, right? All right, hold on. We got to, yeah, cause why not? I really do like how this is starting to look. This looks great. I mean, obviously we need maybe like a 4K photo. This is a screenshot from a video. You know, like we gotta really figure that out. I'm just so glad we got those hotkeys. Come on, let's switch those hotkeys real quick. Oh wait, you know what? I'm not gonna see it in real time. Oh, okay, there we go. That's so funny. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, see, this is why I need those extra monitors because I don't have OBS pulled up right now. Yeah, there we go. See, now I have OBS pulled up. That's so funny. Okay, great. Yeah, upgrade thumbnails. I mean, really, I think our thumbnails are fine right now. I mean, we do have to upgrade them. It is basic. You know what? Let's have ChatGPT upgrade the thumbnail. I'm curious what it's going to make it look like. Let's see what monstrosity it's going to make it look like. Can you up this thumbnail? No way. Okay. Okay. I don't like how you could do that. I've never really needed to use separate tabs for Canva before. It's such a weird thing, I feel like. Where are we going? Okay. Yeah, we gotta do some comments too. So maybe we'll look at some comments interchange at the same time. We got a lot. Our videos are doing really great. YouTube, if you're not posting on YouTube, you should, because it is really awesome. Like they're just great. All right. Anyway, let's see what the upgrade thumbnail looks like. Oh, you know what? That actually is pretty nice. Huh. You know what? We'll work on that right now, just because of how much I like that. No way. See, you don't need AI. I mean, well, okay, I am using AI. You don't need AI to fully make your thing. Because look, watch this. We're gonna go to Canva. I wish I could even. Can I even display? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try something real quick. I think this is... How are we going to do that? You know, I don't know. That might be too much for right now. But anyway, let's go to our thumbnails. I like that a lot. Hold on. So what did it do here? It puts... Yeah. Okay, I totally understand that. Oh, gosh. No, I'm not going to be able to do that, though. Let's see. What happens if we... Oh, this one's already background removed. So how would I put a... Ooh, I might not even be able to put a sticker behind it. I like this a lot. The only part I don't like is me. I'm a little too... I'm looking a little funky. That looks so clean, though. Okay, one thing I could try. I just thought of an idea. Just for the fun of it. I'm already losing what I was gonna do. No, that's not gonna work. Yeah, how would I do that on Canva? Can I? No, probably not, right? Oh my, no, because you know what it's doing? It's counting the whole... Yeah, you know, how do I do that? I really like the white outline. How do I do that in something like Canva? Right, I would love to learn how to do that. Can I get rid of this? We really screwed up this t-shirt here. Hold on, there we go. How to create it. Click on your cutout photo. Click edit photo. Scroll down the shadows. Well, I don't know. How do I make a cutout photo, right? Because, like, I don't know. Background remove. Okay, fine. We're going to assume that worked. So, okay. Edit photo. Scroll down to shadows. Oh. No way. Okay. Click the glow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, but it needs to be way thicker here. Hold on. Intensity. Blur amount. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Oh. Tell me that's just... I've never heard that before. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's a little too intense. Too much. Oh, I'm having fun with this. Hold on. This is so good. This is so cool. Yeah, you know, and you can go like this. I know you can go like that. And No, I can't do it with the text. I was close. Wow. That looks phenomenal. I wish I didn't edit it though. No, I wish I kind of did it before. So hold on, maybe we should do... So, where are we at right now? I know we're all over the place. It's just coming out so raw. Right? What if we... Alright, I need to get rid of OBS for a second. What am I... I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Nick at 9yaps.com. Or... Nick at 9yaps. Okay, yeah, so we've done the Twitch one and we've done that one. So our third one is the MailerLite one. So let's not even worry about this. Wow, that looks so good. Okay, let's do it to MailerLite. Oh, it's yes. Okay, but we need another version of me though. What if I steal the one from this one? No, that's the same one. Okay, so we gotta get a all right, we gotta get a screenshot of me. Now I know last time we were able to enhance... Wait, this is the third one, right? Hold on. Let's find... Oh, it's gonna take a little bit to load. Oh, sweet. Okay, let's find one that's not too scary looking. Yeah! That looks perfect! Okay, hold on. Let's screenshot it. Now, I remember... Now, this is probably not the most efficient way to do it, but I do remember that it works. You know, we'll even keep the microphone in there, maybe. Maybe we won't. Maybe ChatGPT can get rid of the microphone for me a little bit. Oh, that's phenomenal. Okay, here's what we're going to do. So, we're going to... I think we got to go into Canva. I don't remember how we did this last time. So, we're going to do this one. And then let's just get that screenshot that we just made. Let's background remove it. It should remove everything besides me and the microphone. It's a little scary looking. And then... Oh my. Okay, hold on. Can we? Oh my. Oh my. It's a little dark, isn't it? This is where like I wish I had the capability of like the Apple settings here. I don't think it doesn't allow you to do it. I wish it did. I shouldn't have to send this to my phone to have to go like because I want to lift the shadows, right? I'm just so excited. I love how this looks. Like let's just take a look at that again. This looks amazing. Right? Because it gives it's just amazing, right? Okay, we have to redo that. So hold on, Alright, let's not get too excited here. So, alright, we have to send this to myself. So let's send this to myself real quick. Because unless we want ChatGPT to enhance it first. No, we'll just send it to myself first. So that's another thing too. I should get my other phone so you can see me editing this. But for right now, we'll take it one time at a time. So what I'm doing basically right now, I'm just going to hold there for a second. I'm going to edit it by reducing all the shadows, or yes, and then honestly that might be all I have to do. Reducing shadows makes most photos just look 10 times better. That's all you have to do. Oh, wait, so that's yeah. So like I don't know if you see the difference there, but I just changed it. Okay, so now we're gonna send it back. You know, I'll throw it through ChatGPT first a little bit. So I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to make it look a little bit better, like less blurry. So we'll go, can you make this image less blurry? It's gotten so much better with that. I used to use like all these weird different tools to make it look better. Okay, so anyway, we're doing the MailerLite one. So we don't need this image anymore because we're about to go get it from we're about to go get it from ChatGPT. And then last time, this is why I like to keep this like organized. We made the newsletter, upgrade the thumbnail. So we did some AI tools. Upload our second stream. Oh my gosh, it made my facial hair look so much better. Oh my gosh, it gave me a double chin. No way. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. I wish I could show that clearly. It enhanced my that's freaking hilarious. It gave me more facial hair. Okay, let's not. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. All right, let's just send it back. That's freaking hilarious. Okay, hold on. Let's go. That's funny. Maybe we don't even need to enhance it. I think you can kind of tell though if it's not fully clear. I don't even know. I think honestly YouTube thumbnails just don't look the best, like in terms of clarity, because you can even go here. All right, well, okay, and then you look at Shark Tanks and it looks just so clear. So maybe I'm wrong, but anyway, let's go back to what we were doing here. Yeah, because now I got that purple behind me. Ugh. Maybe we just need to pick a thumbnail of me during the day, right? I feel like we're spending a little too much time on try to. Okay, hold on. Don't worry, we're gonna get this going. Where did my podcast go? Or that there we go. Okay. Whew. All right, let's get another one here. One that's maybe not. Yeah, but see, if I'm gonna be streaming at night, we're gonna have to. Yeah, we're gonna have to deal with it, being dark. So I don't know. Tricky, huh? That's the face I want to make right now. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to do it exactly what I did last time. So we're gonna move this out of the way. We're gonna screenshot this, and we're gonna make it a little bit better by going like this, and then like this, and then we're gonna go to ChatGPT. I want to make a new tab though. Okay, can you make this less blurry? Remove the weird purple like highlight, I guess, and then remove the mic. It's gonna do that perfectly, I guarantee it to you. Okay, whoops. All right, so we got the MailerLite one. Do we want to add anything else besides the MailerLite? Maybe that'll be too much. I think honestly that's perfectly fine. And then it also added some cool elements. We had these like little dashes. I don't even know what you call those. What do you call those marks? Oops. On the top right. What do you call those? Let's find out. Attention marks. Sure. Absolutely. Give them to me. Attention marks. Whoops. Marks. Whoops. Oh, man. No, attention marks. Okay. But we just want some basic ones, right? Because that actually looks really good. Whoops. Oh, that just looked so good. Oh, we want these attention marks. Okay, let's pick out some good ones. You know, I think if you like click on one, yeah, it gives you some more. Honestly, it seems like no. All right, we got a couple different variations here. There we go. Right? That's near perfect. Nope, there we go. We're getting better. Look at that. We keep finding good ones here. Let's find the perfect one though. That might be it right there. That's the winner. Okay, that's the winner. All right, let's get rid of all these markings. Can I change the color? Sweet. Black. See, look at that. See, like, I guess I could just take this straight up from ChatGPT, but you know what I'm doing here? I'm setting up all the elements for next time, right? Like, so instead of just taking it directly from ChatGPT, I am... Come on, what do we think? Is that not bad? That's got to be at least a little bit better. Right, let's make sure it's the same size as me before, like that. That can't be too bad. What do we think, chat? That's got to be... Gosh, I just feel like my skin just gets like... It looks like I've just been in the sun for like 12 hours. One thing Canva's got to work on is... like the editing feature. Like, I just feel like I'm limited. Like, I really do like how Apple does it. Wow, it's really working on it, huh? Okay. Oh gosh. You know what? That's better though. Honestly, I'll take it. I will take it. We'll learn every time, right? We could always copy and paste. Yeah. I'll take it. My face looks so funny at that. Oh my, get rid of that. Okay. So... Oh, we still gotta put the style on though. Hold on. I want to reset this whole frame to what it originally was, but that's okay. Yes! Yes, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. That's phenomenal. Now, I know we could do the same thing for this one. Don't even tell me you can't. Don't even tell me you can't. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right? And what should I make it thicker? What's the thickness here? What do we got for thickness? Thickness is 50% or 50, whatever that means. I feel like it's definitely different here. 20, yeah, that's just a different comparison. So I think what we have to do is actually make the font bigger. Well, maybe not though, right? Setting up Twitch, yeah, maybe we have to make the font bigger. Let's make the font bigger. Let's make it like 70. No, it's not. Let's make it 65. Okay, and then we gotta make... Wow, this music's actually pretty good right now. Okay, let's see. So... Let's make this thickness 60. So you know what this is? You know what I really like about this? I'm making my own. All right, we gotta get rid of that. I'm making my own thumbnail, right? I'm not. Oh gosh, what happened there? I'm not like taking an idea. I'm really just getting inspiration, and then boom. Right, there we go. And then, right, we can move it like that. Cause I think it does get cut off if you put it too close to the edge. And then you can go Miller Lite, and then we can go like that. And then, yeah, you know what I like? Hold on, I like how there's two different images here, and then there's that arrow facing it. We can even put that line underneath. What do you call that line? This is so cool. And what's nice about this, once it's set up, it takes a lot less time to do things. What color did they make that? I know I'm like actually kind of copying it, but that's okay. He just made it. Look at that. And it kind of like, oh, it put it on an angle. Yeah. Yeah, like a little tilt. Not even that much. Just like 2 degrees. Look at that. I don't mind it. You know, I'm not going to complain. I like it. It's an upgrade, right? That's what really the main goal is. It's just to upgrade it just a little bit. So anyway, so oh wait, stream 3, my bad. Okay, so uploading. Yeah, let's just do AI. We did actually a lot with AI last time, so maybe we should make like a little AI photo. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe that's gonna turn some people away. It kind of turns me away a little bit. Stream 2, fix Twitch banner. Because we used the Twitch last time. You know, maybe that's good. Maybe we don't have to complicate it. You know, maybe we just leave it like that. Maybe my face could be better. But you know what? I don't mind it. That's so freaking funny. I like it. We're gonna leave it, right? I think it's an upgrade. I think it's an upgrade, and I think that it'll get better every time. This would be too much, right? Yeah, definitely too much. Look at that. What a great. Wow. Right, just a little upgrade. Wow, see how it points to the t-shirt? That's genius. Oh, and then it put like a little, okay, what do you call this? What do you call the shadow behind me? Drop shadow, sure. Learning different things, right? Drop shadow, but it's like a star though. Star maybe? Starburst, there we go, that's what I was looking for. Shadow. Ooh, goodness gracious. Alright, we have to make it 9 yaps green. I think we have to make it... Make it like a little bit darker. Oh! It glows? Hold on, maybe that's a little much. I think actually it made it lighter. Which I think makes more sense. Whoops. You know what? I don't mind it. Alright, I don't mind it, but we gotta try some different things though. Whoops, I lost my shoe. Okay, let's check the color out. I don't know. I feel like we're... I don't know how I'm feeling about this. You know, I don't know how we're feeling about this. No. We need something different. Go back to this one. Yeah, I don't know. See, this one's actually pretty... Oh, AI just really does that well, huh? I just can't, like, use this. This, like, I feel like it's just too much. Yeah, I think it even gave texture. It even gave texture on it. That's... Okay, let's figure out how to do that. No, what am I saying? Oh. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling about that. You know, we could just do that for now. Let's just leave it like that. How does that sound? That's an upgrade. I think it's an upgrade. Maybe my face could have been a little bit better in that one, but... You know, I think thumbnails are supposed to be goofy. So, we're going to keep it like that. Because I think that's pretty good. We're going to move this text over just a little bit more. And you know what? We upgrade the thumbnail. Where is it? Stream 4. Because we'll just make small improvements as we go. Done. Look at that. Okay. That's good for now. I like that a lot. And that'll be the... Yeah, that's great. And then we'll add that for the other thumbnail. We could upload that video. Honestly, is it already uploaded? I might have put it in... Maybe I did. I don't know. Honestly, I couldn't even tell you what we have, what we've done on here. Yeah, we have. Look at that. Change. Oh, wait. No. Because this one's private, right? I had to redo that one. So we have to upload it. We have to add music to it. That's why I haven't done it yet. Because there's no music in it, I kind of want to add music. And I know exactly how to do it without making it a big project. I'm literally, I think I'm... No, I can't take the music. You're right. You can't download music on Spotify, can you? Oh, no. Dang, man. Okay. That might be a project and a half too. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, wait. We might have already uploaded it. Whoops. I don't know. I don't think so. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna upload it, and it's just gonna load, because I think that's the next one. Pretty cool, right? Okay. We're gonna let that upload. I think it actually already uploaded. So we're making progress here. Let's check on the Twitch real quick. How are we doing on there? I feel like I'm losing all my tabs. Where'd my tabs go? Here we go. Okay. Alright, so we got that. We got my channel, and then we got the comments going. How are we doing on Twitch? I like how eventually, here, I'll show you, like, I can't wait for all this stuff to, like, fill up. Like, we're gonna start getting, where is it? Oh, it's not even, we're on the live thing, but we're gonna start getting all this stuff going. It is phenomenal. But we're gonna take 5. I'll be right back. Look, and then we can do this cool thing where we could switch it. Oh wait, no, we don't want it to switch it to just me. Oh, you know what we have to do? No, I know what we have to do. We can't do this just yet. We're not going anywhere. We are going to go to OBS. Look at this. And then we're going to go, look at this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We're going to go to duplicate. And we're going to name it Be Right Back, right? Be Right Back. And then we're going to go, and we're actually going to rename this one to just Stream Desktop. And then Be Right Back. Yeah, what if we just did like webcam? We don't even need to put the stream in there. Why put the stream in there, right? I know, I think it's switching tabs every time I'm clicking on this, but my bad. And then what we'll do is we'll turn off my video. And then we have to make it a hotkey now. So let's go back to the desktop. And then let's go to settings. And then let's go to hotkeys. And now it's going to be a lot easier. Be Right Back. Yep, there we go. So this one's going to be F18. Wow, I feel like a gamer or something here. Okay, now when we full screen this thing, and then I pull up OBS, whoops, and then you go, did we just lose Chrome? Oh, I see why that wouldn't be working. Alright, we're gonna close. Yeah, I think that's great. So that should be playing now. We have the music going, which is good still. I should be able to hit F18 and you don't see me, and then we turn off the mic and we'll be right back. Okay, you should be able to hear me. Um, I think I think there is music playing on this and my thing, but you know what? That's okay, right? Okay, so I think we're gonna end the stream here. I think we had a great productive day today. We're just learning so much. I just really enjoy how much we're learning. Now we don't have our t-shirt idea up yet. That's why I kind of kept it a little hidden there. But for next time, right? I mean, I might even do this beforehand. We don't know. It's the weekend now. So I will probably be doing this on stream, but we have to do the event key. There we go, or Eventbrite. I thought we said done. Now we didn't answer the comments, but we could always do that, right? And we still have to look at those AI tools. right? So we'll probably do that next time. Like that's an easy thing we could just do. So that is it, right? And we worked on it. We worked. It's work in progress. So pending, right? What we'll probably do is we'll keep adding a little bit to it each stream. I think that's a good idea. So, like I said, we did a lot. I think we did great. So, let's go back to me. There we go. So, I think that's going to be it for today. Thanks for joining. Right at 2 hours. I had a lot of fun. We'll be back. I think we're going to be doing this almost every single day for like 2 hours just to see how it goes. I got to get a schedule going because eventually it may not be every day. I don't know. Maybe it's just like 30 minutes or an hour sometimes. We'll kind of figure out what works best, but have a wonderful rest of your day. Ask any questions you want. Want to be on the stream? We got a form to fill out. You can fill out right on the About page if you want to co-stream. We're going to be doing that pretty soon. So, all right. Well, that's it. Hope the sound was good in this video. That'd be a shame if something was wrong. But I think we're all set. So, that's it. Have a good one.